Hello, it's Farooq again after some break because of this is new year for the corporate tax, first time in UAE, so was doing some planning for the audit and for the corporate tax, but I thought better to share with you again few some practical examples that earlier I was used to say. Some of my clients was asking few questions, so today we'll discuss about the corporate tax filing for small business relief, because still clients are confused, some professionals even also. So let me share my experience. For corporate tax filing, first of all, you have to make sure your all record is up to date. Up to date means your all license, passport copy, shareholders copy, all these things must be updated, because the 31st March is the last date. If you will not update, you will get a fine also after that date. So make sure you are filing for any corporate tax return. Before filing, you make sure all your legal documents are up to date, all the information are up to date, very important. So all information should be up to date. After that, while you are filing corporate tax return for small business relief, the second most important thing, people are thinking that if their turnover is less than 3 million, so just calculate in Excel total the invoices of that invoices, make the total of that invoices and just file it. So please just make sure you have a proper books of account. If you don't have proper books of account, because tomorrow one authority will ask, you don't have proper books of account, you will face issues, because authority will ask, okay, give us the breakup for sales, cost and any expenses also. Might be they will ask, share with us the trial balance or anything. It's authority up to them. So please make sure you are doing proper accounting. Without that, this is actually basic for all the if you are going for audit, for the corporate tax filing, internal management decision making, accounting is very crucial. So don't miss this important part of your organization. Do proper accounting. And the second thing, while you are having a proper accounting, then you can file corporate tax return, even 0%, 9%, and small business relief. Okay, simplified corporate tax return. So once you know the revenue, you will mention the revenue amount, but it should be reconciled with your trial balance, with your VAT filing, with your financial statements. Make sure while you are filing, it should be reconciled. If you don't reconcile, later on might be you will struggle yourself. You make some changes. So better reconcile it. Make sure have proper accounting and file. While filing the corporate tax return, also their question was asked, is being asked that are you doing cash basis or accrual basis? Yes, up to 3 million, up to you, but it is highly recommended do it on accrual basis. Second thing, are you a part of multinational enterprises group? If you are yes, then situation will be different. But normally, small companies are not part of MNG group. So sorry, actually not feeling well, but still decided to come online and share my experience with you guys. So that's why first of all you have to make sure that accounting proper, and then after accounting, reconciliation should be there. You must know whatever you are filing for the VAT and other things, you must know. And you must not be a part of MNG group. If you are, because then situation will totally different. Then if you are a Freezone, see, for small business relief, a Freezone company can also avail small business. But this small business relief is very important, keep in mind, for resident only for resident, not for others. Means non-resident. So it is available, small business relief is only available for resident, but natural person relief is available for both resident and non-resident. So if you are resident, yes, you can avail. If turnover is less than 3 million, you can avail this opportunity. Accounting must be proper, must not be part of MNG group. But here I actually today the main point I'm going to discuss in this. Some people, one of my client, he is setting up a company in Rasul Khaimah, and he's building a warehouse. So when he's building warehouse, of course this is first year, he don't have any sale. So this is first year, no sale. It means cost is there only. So it means he has a losses. So keep in mind, if you will avail small business relief, so then these all losses, taxable losses, you cannot get relief in future years. Small business relief, if you will apply, so all these, so always make a planning, discuss with the tax agent what is the best strategy to either to go for small business relief or not. So small business relief, if some companies are in losses and really they are in losses, so that losses they don't need to go for small business relief while doing the simplified corporate tax return. They have to check with the tax agent, get the expert advice, and based on that file your return. Because as I mentioned, one my client, he has a losses. So he said, Farooq, just because I don't have sale, just simply file the small business relief, and no need to show anything. This just only revenue, this and that. I said, you are in losses. If you are will be taxes losses, you can carry forward these taxes losses, and future coming years when you have a taxable income, you can adjust these losses. So please, while you are doing a corporate tax filing, must not just simply follow other people, take proper advice. It can be a benefit, but there are some other questions also there, realization basis, because some people they have a property, so this realization basis, all these things you have to, that's why some people are thinking this filing a corporate tax return is very simple. No, each question have a background, so you have to take your agent advice. So I think at least first time, at least filing a return for first year, because lot of question like transitional rule is only first year. Any small mistake can have big impact in the future years. So if you need any advice regarding filing a corporate tax return for small business relief, we are here to help you. And I will, in my coming videos, I will discuss about the how to file a corporate tax return for free zone, for mainland who have to that they are falling under 9% or 0%. So please keep in touch. Thank you.